Doors?
Well, it was a great recommendation from a neighbor who we are very close with. I watched him deal with Tom and the team as they were getting all new windows in their house. And that was pre-COVID, and as we got into the COVID era, I should say, we were looking at replacing our front door entry system, which dates back to the original house, 40 years now. And it was a wooden frame, and it was dated, and it was did not have the side lights between the glass, which are really help with cleaning. So I asked Rusco to come out and give me an estimate. Tom came out, worked with me, and the project was put on hold because of the COVID experience. But Tom and I stayed in touch. Shortly thereafter, we asked him to come out, and we said we were interested in doing the project, continuing the project with the front door. He came out and did final measurements, gave me a price quote, which we were very pleased with, and we enjoyed. The look is the same from the original house and the original front entry, and that's what we wanted. And he was one of the few companies that worked with us and gave us what we wanted, not what we were told we needed. The project, putting it together, took about 6-8 months because of backlog on materials. They sent out another team to measure again for the final installation. And this entry, it comes in one piece. It's like the size of 3 individual doors, but it's put together in one piece. I was concerned how they're going to do it because it's heavy, and they had to take out the original one and put this one in. They had a team of 4 that came out. They were here about 6 hours. We were very pleased with them. They cleaned up everything. They vacuumed. The house was immaculate. The entry was immaculate. When they finished, they touched up any scratches that they made, the door was put together perfectly. They reused my hardware. We polished it up, and it's the original hardware, so we were just ecstatic. And we've had compliments on the door, and I've mentioned Tom's name and Rusco's name to others, and hopefully there'll be good word coming out for this for our neighbors.